doesn't smell quite right, does it? Imagine if that's your car.
What's up, Hanli here?
And yo, it's Lionel in the house, and today we're going to talk about an often overlooked part of your car, the cabin air filter. And in fact, I think in all my years of driving, I've only ever changed mine twice.
Don't forget to check your cabin filter every 15,000 km or 1 year, whichever comes first. And make sure to replace them if dirty so that your car is always fresh.
So what we have for you today is the Aeristo Premium Cabin Air Filter from Bosch. And it's priced around, I think, 80 ringgit.
That's quite a bit more compared to the standard filter, right?
Yeah, a standard filter is usually 40 to 50 ringgit, but that's because it comes with quite a lot of features.
So shall we open it up?
Yeah. Oh, we need scissors, huh?
Scissors, please! Okay. Oh.
I like that you need to use a scissors to open it. I think it's packaged quite well. This thing filters up to 99% of particles down to 2.5 micrometers. For example, pollen is about 30 to 40 micrometers and average dust will be around 100 micrometers. So this will filter out all of that.
Well, I can see that there's grey colour all over the filter here. Does that mean that it has the activated charcoal in it?
Yep, so activated charcoal is useful to remove odors in a car. Maybe you like to bring durian in your car, maybe like just now you have a bad smelling pair of shoes. It will help to remove all of that and keep your cabin air smelling fresh. On top of that, there is an additional layer which Bosch says features a biofunctional coating made from polyphenols.
Whoa! Well, that basically means it will kill germs.
Yes, so it will help you kill germs as well. So this filter is exceptionally suited for asthma sufferers and maybe even families with fur kids. It will help you filter all of those stuff out.
Well, Lionel, shall we install it?
Yes, let's install it, and it's really easy too. Check it out. First, you'll want to locate the old cabin filter, and it's usually behind the glove compartment. Sometimes it can be below it as well. Empty out the glove compartment for easier removal and then unfasten it like so. The cabin filter tray is right behind it, hidden behind the cover. So take out the cover and then take out the cabin filter. But be gentle, as there may be debris on it which will fall out and make a mess. You don't want that. Please don't wash or blow the air filter as it will damage it, rendering it ineffective. We also recommend changing it every 15,000 kilometers or every year. Or if you open it up and it looks a little bit dirty, you can always just swap it out if you want to as well. Anyways, always follow the airflow arrow on the filter and slot it in. Finish up by putting everything back in its place. You now have fresh, clean cabin air.
So that's pretty easy to install, right?
It really is. So after this video, open that glove compartment, have a look at your filter. If it's dirty, swap it for this one.
Fresh air is something that you definitely have to invest in. So that's it from us today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.
As always, thank you so much for watching and
Breathe easy, guys.
Bye!